Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to sell Ethereum Meta on your Coinbase. So to do that, open up your Coinbase wallet. Now come and tap on buy and sell. Once you come to buy and sell, you select the sell button here, sell crypto for cash. Now in the list over here, come to search bar and then search for the Ethereum Meta. So to do that, just come and type in the following. You can type in ETH because ETH represents the Ethereum. And if you have some amount of Ethereum, it will then load up and then you'll go ahead and sell it. So for my case, I don't have Ethereum in my wallet and it won't load up. But basically, that is a procedure you'll have to follow. So once you sell your Ethereum, you'll be given cash, and that cash you can get it through the debit card and other payment methods on your Coinbase. So briefly, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.